Hello guys, and thank you for joining me today. I apologize for the low light setting. I'm outside going for my walk. I wanted to give you guys some good news, or bad news depending on how you look at it. I am doing commissions now. I'm not like any other commissioner. You have to supply the blaster. Meaning, you want me to mod a retaliator, you have to supply the send me a retaliator. You want me to mod a strong arm, send the strong arm. Stuff like that. You gotta supply the blaster. I'm not gonna do anything extra old like something from the 90s, because I'm not gonna trust myself trying to mod one of those things. And I won't be able to do anything heavy to an electronic blaster. Mods I can do to an electronic blaster is taking out some of its locks that won't be affected by the electronic lock itself. Such as the rev trigger lock, where you have to press the rev trigger before you can pull the trigger itself. That one I could remove from a Strife or any kind of blaster that has it. If you want me to do a Strife, supply the Strife, I will take out some of the locks from it and send it back to you with a few extra upgrades. Upgrades meaning I could possibly do I could possibly replace the return spring with something more efficient. That will put a spring behind the trigger where that spring rest is, and do that. Make the trigger more snappy. That's all that can be done to a electronic blaster of any kind. Also, you gotta supply the money within the package. Don't just send it just sticking out inside there. You have to actually send it to me. You can't just pay me it through like Messenger or something like that. You actually have to send me the paper money so I can use it to either ship it to you, or if it's more efficient for you, send me like the 25 and an extra 10 for shipping, which would be 35. Which brings me to pricing. My pricing ranges from, let's see. You want me to do a spring upgrade? That's going to be $10. Depending on what else you want me to do to it, remove the air restrictor, stuff like that. Locks are going to be $5 per lock. You want me to remove a trigger lock on some kind of blaster, say let's see. You want me to remove the trigger lock in a Strife? That's going to be $10 due to the fact that it being an electronic blaster. $5 per Springer lock removed. So you want locks removed on a retaliator. There is, let's see, the half prime lock, the clip lock. There's 3 locks, so $15 there. Want to remove 1 lock, that's $5. All in all, a commission itself is $25. I'm charging extra to do, because a spring upgrade's free. You want me to do just a spring upgrade, that's fine. Extra mods done, such as lock removal, air restrictor removal, more of the heavy stuff that you want me to do, are extra. That's going to be $5 per lock. Or in this case, for a electric blaster, $15 per lock. Well, not 15. I mean, like about $10 per lock on an electric blaster. There's a Strife. You guys should know what an electric blaster is. What I'm saying is $25 for the commission itself, plus extra if you want me to do anything else to it besides replace the spring. If you're sending something to me for repair, same thing. You gotta cover shipping. Send the blaster to me for repair. I'll see what I can do to it. If I'm able to get it repaired, I'll get it fixed. Send it down to you. But you need to send the money too. Sending stuff to Minnesota can cost a pretty penny. So, say someone sends me something from let's see, a few other areas, like a few different other. Some areas cost more than others. So keep in mind, my commission prices are kind of fair, kind of not, depending on how you look at it. Don't request something stupid. Don't ask me to upgrade motors. Don't ask me to upgrade the wiring, stuff like that. I can't do stuff like that, and I will just send it right back to you. You have to leave a comment first, contact me on Facebook, whatever you need to do. Let me know what mods you want done. Send the blaster down, and I'll see what I can do. I'll have a link to my Facebook. I'll also have my mailing address will be in the description below if you want to send me fan mail, something like that. Like I said, want repairs done to your blaster? Contact me on Facebook first. Want to do a trade? Contact me first. Want to send me a big thing of fan mail? Let me know in the comments. And you can just do everything from there, from the address that'll be in the description below. Like I said, the lighting's horrible. I apologize, but I need to get this out there as soon as possible. I appreciate you watching. This has been my PSA on commissions and repairs. Keep in mind, my prices are as is. $25 a commission, plus an extra $5 to $10. $5 each for each lock on the electric blaster. $10 for each electric blaster lock you want removed. Need any more information on my commissions? Contact me on Facebook, and I'll let you know more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.